Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Kulkarni, and today I'll be sharing some information regarding the methods in Java. So before moving to the topic, first we will understand what does it mean by method. So method is nothing but a way to perform such a particular task. You can also call it as method is a set of instruction or statement are used for the particular task to be done. Method is method will be executed only if we call it. So there are two types of the method. First one is the user defined method. The first one is the predefined method, and the second one is the user defined. So in predefined method, we have already such method defined by the Java itself. Like examples are the length equals to compare. So these methods are already available in the method libraries. While the user defined method, the user has to create a method for himself according to the method name. So how to declare a method? So has method declaration has contains some information about the attributes the method contains, such as the visibility, the return type, the method name, etc., etc. So method name has a six main components. To declare a method, it has a six main component. We will see one by one. So syntax to write a method is, suppose take an example of syntax. I'll be telling public int sum in bracket int a or b. So this is example. We will check what each term that means. First of all, the public is the access modifier or access identifier, in which public is we have used public here. Then the second is the int. Int is nothing but a return type we use in the method, while the sum is the method name or parameter name we have been chosen, while the int a and int b are the parameter list, and all the set of all these gathered element called as the method header, while the method name and the method name or parameter name and the parameter list are combinedly called as the method signature, and the code or the operation we have to perform are written in the method body. So we will check one by one. So method signature is the combination of parameter list and the method name itself. The second is the access modifier or access identifier. So there are four types of access identifier or modifier. The first one is the public, second one is private, third one is the default, and the fourth one is protected. So public, when we use a public access modifier in the method, then the class is accessible in all classes, while the private, when the private modifier we use, then the class will be accessible only in the class where it is defined. In the protected and in protected access modifier, the method will be accessible only in the subclass or same source page, while the default is used when the no access modifier has been assigned to the method. Then the Java will choose its default as the default method, and if the method type is not specified, then the default will be chosen. So the next is the parameter name. So parameter name is nothing but a unique name we have been chosen for the method, and it must be some functionality. It must have corresponding functionality to the method name or to the operation we have been performing. While the parameter list is the integer we have been provided, and it should be separated by the comma and enclosed in the pair of synthesis bracket. So it contains a variable and a data type itself. There is also a topic where we call method called as method calling. So method calling is invoking or calling a particular method to perform a desired task. Thank you.